Welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will explore the words that take the suffix ist. This question appeared in the MPSC Mains Exam 2021 in the English paper. So, let's dive in. Identify the words which take the suffix ist. The options are hero, attract, flute, loyal. Let's examine each option and determine if it can take the suffix ist. Option A is hero. Can hero take the suffix ist? No, it cannot. The correct word for someone who performs a courageous act is heroic, not heroist. Therefore, hero is not the correct word that takes the suffix ist. Option B is attract. Can attract take the suffix ist? No, it cannot. The correct word for someone who attracts others is attractive, not attractist. Hence, attract is not the correct word that takes the suffix ist. Option C is flute. Can flute take the suffix ist? Yes, it can. The correct word for someone who plays the flute is flautist. So, flautist is the correct word that takes the suffix ist. Finally, let's examine the last option. Option D is loyal. Can loyal take the suffix ist? Yes, it can. A loyalist refers to a person who is loyal to a particular cause, group, or individual. So, loyal is correct in this context, and loyalist is the correct word that takes the suffix ist. So, out of the given options, both flute and loyal are the correct words that take the suffix ist. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay curious and keep exploring languages.